what needs to be accelerated.
Lilanga lokugcina lembizo kaMengameli yokulwisana nezenzo zokukhalumezana ngokobulili kodwana Abatjhotjhozeli abakaneliseki.
As Kwanele Foundation, we have not received not even 5 cents from the government. And it's funny that every Indaba, every summit we go to, when ministers or people in power speak about money, we look on the ground and we ask each other, have you received money? And most of us, none of us have received the money that they talk of. So we don't know where this money is. That is why yesterday we even started chanting, saying, show us the money. We want to feel it. We want to see it. Because no money has come our way.
Umnqopho wembizo le kuveza imiphumela yomsebenzi owenziwe ukusukela ngo-2018 kunye nokuziphendulela. Umnyango wezeemali uzifumene ungemafutheni atshisako mayelana nemali yabelwe ukusiza ngezehlakalo zokukhalumezana ngokobulili. Umnyango wezeemali uthi bekubudisi ukuhlathulula kuhle imali le.
The funding is all over the place in the sense that it's around different programs. So it's hard for people to see in particular programs whether the funds have been spent and so on. I think what we want to do as Treasury when we engage here is to see how can we perhaps get government as a whole to account for the spending we have towards gender-based violence programs.
Ababelani bathi kusesekunenge kufanele kwenziwe ukuya phambili ukwenzela ukujugulula umhlako wabomma abantwana kunye nezinhlangano ezisahlakako. Imbizo le iphetha ngethemba lokubana ukulwisana nokuqedwa kokukhalumezana ngokobulili kuzokusekelwa khulukhulu ngehlangothini lemali.
Don't worry what you believe in. You can believe in cats and dogs and whatever.
Kanti-ke akwaziwa bona urhulumende uzokulima yiphi indima.
Accountability. That is why our faith sector is damaged as it is.
You've had more than
what you've done today is not nice, my dear.